Yes, in this our next lesson, we want to dimension all the ridges of the roof plan and also bring our grid lines into this roof plan. So let's go to dimensions. You see dimension here. We are using this one. So now what we need to do here is to go and pick this aligned dimension, because we are going to be picking. You click on it, you go from here to here. You can see that it's too thick, so you press escape, you change it. Let's take this thing back to 0. Very important. When you take it back to 0, go back to your aligned dimension, pick from one point to the other point and draw it out. You begin again, pick it from one point to this point, draw it out. Begin again, pick it from one point to this point, take it out, begin again, and so on and so forth, until you are able to dimension all the size of the roof plan. Of course, you know how to dimension now, so you can do the dimension yourself and complete the dimension. Now, since you have already drawn the grid before, what we need to do is just to copy and paste. But before we do that, let's go and uncheck our wall plaster, because that's where we use and pick that grid from. So we unfreeze it. We actually call it unfreeze. We freeze and unfreeze. So our wall is, you unfreeze the wall. So you go to this place, you highlight on this, on the grid here, highlight on the grid here, even on that section line, highlight on all the section line and the grid. You now go to copy. From copy, you now pick from one point, one edge, zoom well so that you pick correctly on that edge. By the time you pick it, you now drop it on this other edge. You drop it here. By the time you drop it, you can see that you have been able to drop your grid line on the roof plan. So you just take your floor plan, you copy also to this place to label it. You double click on it, you change the name to ROF, signifying roof plan. You press enter, you close, signifying that you are through with the roof plan. So in this class, I expect you to arch the remaining of this roof plan, and also you dimension the remaining of this roof plan, signifying the end of the roof plan. So in the next class, we go to section